I get this from some a former client of mine that said, "Well, isn't HR just like paperwork?
Yes.
Is it just paperwork?"
No, no, no. Don't get me wrong. It is a lot of paperwork. It's a lot of laws. It's a lot of process, all that. But HR is really the liaison between the company and the employees. So what we do is we are a strategic partner to make your employees feel that they have a resource and they have a person that they can come to and talk to. And then so you can focus as the employer on your business. You can focus on the company. I always give the example of, business owners, say for instance, you wanted to open an ice cream shop. Right? You are thinking about all the different flavors that you can create. You're thinking about, oh, how are we going to sell this? How are we going to be different from 31 flavors? You think about all those things. You rarely have business owners who think like, ooh, I can't wait to hire people and do, the laws and the posters and all the requirements. You don't think of that. So we really take that off your plate and really focus on the people and the people management to make sure that your employees are performing to full expectations so you can worry about growing and maximizing your business. So that's really what we do.
So one of the secrets I tell you, I'm mostly a plaintiff side, but I do defense work as well. Is look, one of the great things about an HR department, I know someone has an HR department on both sides. If I'm on the defense side, I get that means there's going to be probably documentation, things that may not help my client as much. Mm-hmm. However, if I'm defending, I'm exceptionally happy because generally a good HR department will have pretty much done a lot of the, especially as you know, in California, with wage and hour being one of the hottest things happening. If we know the time record, if I can show, and HR is generally very comfortable telling me, here are the records, and they comply, and I'm like, yeah, we have no problems then. The case generally kind of goes away. So for me, one of the reasons I know people say just paperwork, I like it as an attorney only because it does document. Because if you don't have documentation, if there's no conversation, it's all like he said, she said,
exactly.
he said, they said. One of those things where it ends up being like, well, how do we know unless we go through a whole trial? So thank you for that.